Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Red Magic Astra, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll all the way down to find the option system. In the system we have to find a date and time, so the fourth option. And now we can freely change the date and time. However, as you can see, those options are inactive. It is obviously because we are using the automatic time. So first of all, just tap on the switcher here, and now we can freely tap on date and change the date just by swiping. First of all, the day, then a month and a year. And tap on OK, it will be immediately applied. The same situation with the time, first of all hour and then minutes. Tap on OK. Here we can select the time zone. Just tap on the time zone, tap on the region, and here we've got full list of available regions, so find yours and then tap on it. It will be immediately applied. Let's go back. And here we can also change the time format, and this is the only format that we can change. So for example, we cannot reorder the month and day and year, only the time. So we can either use local default, which is more or less automatic, or we can use 24-hour format just by keeping this option turned on, or 12-hour format right here. So it's of course up to you which option you prefer. And this is the whole manual customization of date and time. Of course, you can go back to all previous settings just by tapping on the switcher at the top to set date and time automatically. Obviously, I believe that you will have to change the time zone manually, as we do not have the switcher for that. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.